guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be our Boxycharm unboxing. I have here my box for the month of May, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the products that came inside of it. So why don't we go ahead and get this open. So I do want to say I have a vampy lip on today. I feel like I haven't put on a vampy lip in a hot second. It's been a while, so there's that. But let's go ahead and open our box. So if you're new to my Boxycharm unboxings, I do these every single month here on my channel, and they are a monthly subscription service. They're $25 a month, and we receive 4 to 5 full-size items every single month in our box. I will have the link down below if you're curious to go ahead and sign up for it. So I really haven't seen too many spoilers. I have seen a couple, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know what's inside my box. So I'm going to grab out the little card here. Actually, mine doesn't have a card. This one just says, like, thank you for choosing Boxycharm and everything. I do not have a card in here. That is a bummer, so I won't be able to tell you guys how much everything retails for, but I'll try and look it up on my phone. That way I can still give you guys, like, information if I can find it. So up first in here we have from Glam Glow. This is their Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And here's what it looks like. I feel like I don't really hear much about Glam Glow anymore. They used to be like super popular, I feel like a long time ago, but I haven't really heard much from them in a while. This smells really good. So here's what it looks, kind of looks like yogurt. It almost smells like yogurt. I don't like yogurt. If you guys didn't know that about me, I really don't love yogurt, but that smells like it, and it kind of looks like it. So I'm gonna look up the price on it and see if I can't see how much that one retails for. So on Sephora right now, that one is $49. So that's quite a pricey little mask there. So I'm gonna start putting everything in my calculator. So that one is $49, and again, that one's from Glam Glow. I don't really see much info on the back other than what it says on the front. It just says that it's a recovery mask and it's going to help brighten. So I guess we will try that one and see what it does. Up next in here, this is from Daily Concepts, and this is the individuals who think in the shower. This is a shampoo bar. Interesting, a plant-based vegan, it says. I can't say that I've ever tried anything like this, so let's see what this is all about. I'm gonna open it up and see. Ooh. Wow, okay, this is interesting. So this is what it looks like. So it's kind of just like a bar of soap, but I'm pretty sure this is meant to be shampoo. So I think, I really don't know how to use it. I'm gonna have to like research this more. It says, wet the bar on your hair, swipe the bar several times down your hair from the root to tip, and then rather. So I guess this is just trying to like minimize the amount of waste, which I think is great, that you get with the plastic and shampoo bottles. It smells very like spa-like. It almost smells like an essential oil or something. So I will try this out and let you guys know what I think of that. I'm gonna go ahead and see how much this one costs. So looking it up, this one retails for $24. Okay, the next item in here is from Blink, and this is their Black Lash Primer. It's a jet black volume primer. And so let's go ahead and open this and see what it looks like. Ooh, this is interesting. So here is what the wand looks like. And this is a primer. I'm gonna just put a little bit out. It's very black. This is interesting because I feel like most lash primers I actually used one today are white. So it's kind of interesting to have a black one. I don't know that I've tried much from this brand, Blink. Let me know down below if you guys have tried stuff from them. I want to say they've been in previous Boxycharms, but I'm not sure. Let me go ahead and see the price on this one. Okay, so the total price on this one is $26 for the lash primer. Okay, we have one more product in here, and this is a eyeshadow palette. So this is the Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette, and this is from Studio Makeup. And here is the packaging on that one. And here is the inside of it. Looks like a pretty neutral palette. Let's see if it will focus here. Here we go. Looks like a everyday, like a very like pretty nude palette. It does have a mirror on it as well. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of the shades so we can see what they look like swatched. I'm never really sure with like some of these brands because I've never actually heard of this brand before, but the swatches look really nice. So here are all of the swatches from the palettes. The mattes seem like they're going to be pretty pigmented, and the shimmers look really foiled. So that is always promising. And again, it does have a little mirror in here, nice and compact. And I would look up the price on this one here. So the price on that palette is $35. So putting that in, that's going to bring our box to $134 value. So typically these boxes are supposed to be at least $125, so we do have a little bit above that. I'm bummed that I don't have my card, so I can't tell you guys the variation that I did get, but I will have the dimensions and the weight of everything in my box down below. So kind of just to recap, we do have the eyeshadow palette in here. We have the Glam Glow face mask. We also have the lash primer, and then we also had the the shampoo bar in here as well. And I'm realizing there's one other product. I'm so sorry, you guys. This is like hiding in the bottom. So this is actually from Pretty Vulgar, and this is their eyeshadow primer. I did not know that this was in the box. I'm so sorry. So I will go ahead and swatch this out. I don't typically use like eye primers. I am someone who just goes in with like concealer, but I know a lot of people do, and it's kind of nice to have one in here with the eyeshadow palette. So it does look like it's just like a nude color, and it feels pretty tacky. So I'll have to keep you guys updated on this one here. I'm gonna add that to the total value. So our box was already above the price. So let's see how much it is with this one. Okay, so this one actually retails for $22, so that's pretty good. So our box all in all was $156 value. I think that is great. Again, it's only $25, so I feel like we got a pretty good box with the different variety of products. We got hair care, we got skincare, and some eyeshadow items, and then also we had in there that mascara. So I think it was a pretty good box. You guys will have to let me know down below if you received your Boxycharm, what products you guys got inside of it. Again, I'll have the link down below listed if you guys are interested. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.